If you've noticed that we've been missing for a couple of weeks, I promise we haven't abandoned you or the farm. I've actually been fighting with Adobe Premiere, which apparently decided I didn't have enough challenges around here. Meanwhile, life at our little house in the country has carried right on without it. It's been hot. We've finished a project we've been working on forever. Another tree has fallen across our driveway, and our little barn cats have officially decided that the barn belongs to them. So, here's a little glimpse of what we've been up to lately. Mama Kitty, aka Fluffy, has gotten extremely comfortable and daring around the horses. Babies are sleeping, so she's getting her mama time. She gets to hang with others other than babies. She's getting along with all the animals. I want to show you just what I mean that Florida has a horrific growing season during the summertime. I mean, southern parts of Florida year round, it's a non-stop constant growing season, but up here we actually get 4 seasons, which is very new to me. But I just want to turn this camera around so you all can see just what I mean. We just cleaned this out with all the weeds, and we were just getting ready to plant these Confederate jasmine back here, and just life has happened. Things have gotten out of hand, busy, and now I'm pulling weeds again, which was a Mother's Day gift where Mike and Braden came out here and pulled all the weeds for me. Well, guess what? Now I get to do it.
So if I move that over a half, this has to come over a half, right?
Yep. Because otherwise that one on the end is going to look too narrow. We're trying to figure out the measuring of the distance between each anchor.
Yeah, it's easier to fix the grout than the...
And the brick.
Yeah, give me a
screw.
be pushed in. There we go.
Stringing the line.
Well, at least this is kind of solving itself.
How so? Of course, we just couldn't finish a nice little project and call it a day, because apparently the trees around here have decided to keep us humble. Yep, another tree fell across the driveway. Thankfully, Mike grabbed the chainsaw and got to work cutting it up, and naturally I was there doing my very important job of moving logs. If you guys remember, we just did this a couple of weeks ago when the last tree fell across the driveway. Here, unraveling.
No, don't do it like that. Like that.
I'm unspooling this. Okay. The vision is coming to life. We've got our X's. We are connecting the wire as we speak.
I'll make some slack.
We are going to train the vines to grow along the wire. So I've taken the vines and I am training them up the wires. Well, I have done it. I have officially started training the vines to go up the cord that we put here. So eventually we will have 4 full X's that will be along the brick wall. I can't wait till it fills in. It's going to be so beautiful. This poor birdie just flew straight into my window as I was sitting at my computer, and it has stunned itself, the poor thing. Gosh, I wish I could help it right now. I'll help it by leaving it alone. I know it will be okay. Such a pretty bird. Mama happens to be right here next to my foot. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's turning out to be a great barn kitty. And hopefully she's teaching these two to be barn kitties also. Aren't they so cute? This one looks so sleepy. He's a sleepy kitty. That's Boots. And this is Mittens. Someone is definitely our barn kitty. Oh, she's so hot. Poor thing. We've got the misting fan going, but it's a little help these days because the feels like it's just in the hundreds. Let's play Where Are the Horses? Jeez Louise. Always where they're not supposed to be. Guess they're rubbing on trees and broken fences. Yeah, busted. What are you girls doing? Are you supposed to be over there? Huh? You silly girl. Are you supposed to be over there? I don't think so. She's like, I wasn't doing anything. I wasn't doing anything. What about you, BG, huh? I saw you rubbing your big butt on that tree. I saw you rubbing your big butt on that tree. My big, beautiful girl. Red Sox, what are you doing? Are you sniffing mushrooms? That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Don't sniff mushrooms. I know we'll miss these days in the winter, being able to do house chores until 9 o'clock in the evening. This is my pickpocket. She always comes up to me and sniffs my pockets. She's so funny. Hopefully Adobe Premiere and I have worked out our differences because I have missed sharing these little pieces of our life with you. Thank you for coming back and spending a few minutes with us.
We're still here, still working, still sweating, still cleaning up trees, still loving these animals, and we are still turning this little house in the country into a home. We will see you next week.